Imagine this. You've come across a fascinating object in nature. Perhaps it's a ladybug, a colorful flower, an interesting rock, an old-growth fir tree. Pretend that you're a field researcher. Your task is to gather as much information as possible about the object that you've encountered. On this day, you might choose to focus solely upon just one characteristic: color, texture, sound, or scent. Letting everything else fall away. Bringing mindful awareness to this object for several moments with a spirit of curiosity, compassion, and intention. Allowing your attention to be imperfect and noting when, not if, your attention wanders. And when it does wander, gently, non-judgmentally, bringing your attention back home, again and again. Engaging in this mindful experiment. What is available to be received from this object in nature through my chosen sense doorway in this particular moment? Drinking in and fully savoring in the last few seconds of this brief exercise. And then as we conclude, taking a moment to reflect. What did you notice? What would you like to repeat or change if you were to engage in this mindfulness exercise again? Consider offering yourself this opportunity to engage mindfully with nature on a regular basis. Imagine, what might it be like to integrate this kind of mindful awareness across daily life?